y'all, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. I'm Marissa Ray. Today's video is going to be about this super cute braided ponytail. It is kind of a low ponytail, I guess a semi-low ponytail. Yeah, it's been a minute since I've been actually in front of a camera, so yeah, but I have missed it. But anywho, so I'm here today showing y'all this. And I just used the color 27 braiding hair. I'll have to insert a picture of the braiding hair I used because I threw the bags away. So that's what I used, and then I just cut it because I didn't want the braid to be super long. It just comes down to like right here and there from the back. So yeah, y'all, this video is just going to be a voiceover while I do it. I was a little bit frustrated because y'all know my hair thick, so it was a struggle trying to get all this hair into one little sleek ponytail. And then the braided at that, all of it at once. Yeah, that was a struggle. So I hope y'all are doing well. Make sure you like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to the channel. And if you would like to see how I achieve this look, then just keep watching. Alright y'all, my hair is freshly washed and detangled and all of that. I'm going to start off using the Mielle pomegranate and honey leave-in conditioner and the Jamaican black castor oil. Y'all know these are the products I always use anyway. But I'm pretty much just sectioning my hair into two to make sure I get the product thoroughly through my hair so that my hair is not dry. Because you know, definitely any protective style you do, you don't want your hair to be dry. So I'm using the oil and I'm using the Mielle to saturate my hair and moisturize it before I put it up into this ponytail. Then I'm going in with this paddle brush. This really ain't for real get through my hair, you know, because my hair is thick. But, you know, I did what I could to try to slick it up into the ponytail as best as I could and smooth out those lumps, because definitely the top part of my hair, I didn't want that to be lumpy or bumpy or none of that. Then I'm going to be detangling it a little bit with my fingers and go in with this hard bristle brush and some Eco Styler gel. I believe it's the coconut oil one, and just slick back my hair as great as I can, as slick as I can, because y'all see, obviously this is a lot of hair and it's hard to get all this hair into one little ponytail, especially this type of ponytail, but I did my best. And I just used a nice thick little ponytail holder to place the ponytail in the back of my hair. And now these are the little two pieces of hair that I have. And I'm going to start this braid off just as if I'm going to do like a feed-in braid. It's kind of hard for y'all to tell, but I basically split my hair into 3 sections and start plaiting my hair just like a normal plait. Then I'm going to add in small pieces, okay? I separated all those 2 bags of hair into tiny, well, not really tiny, but smaller chunks of hair that would easily fit into my braid. And I'm just adding them in. As you can see, I take it piece by piece and pretty much tuck it under my pointer finger and then continue with the braiding. If you need more like instruction on how to securely add that braid or add that braiding hair into your hair, then you might want to watch some other like YouTube videos, because for whatever reason it's difficult to see here. But I think I added in like 5 pieces. I separated the hair into like 5 to 6 pieces and I just added them in as best as I could, y'all. I was really struggling, and please don't think this is as easy as it looks, because this actually took me like 5 tries. All that braiding that I just did, I literally repeated that 5 times until I got it how I think it should look. Okay, it was difficult. And then as y'all can see, I do have small pieces of my hair kind of coming out. All I did later was add some Eco Styler gel and kind of slicked it down a little bit better so that it would look smoother and more seamless. I could have used the color 30. I think I will repeat this style and use the color 30 braiding hair, because I think that's actually closer to my hair color right now. But you know, I did what I could, and don't be afraid to like go back, start over, and just do it until you get it right. I promise y'all, I did this about 5 good struggling times before I actually did this, okay? So don't be discouraged, just keep trying until you get it. Like I was saying earlier, you can add in some Eco Styler gel or like some shining jam to slick down wherever parts of your hair are like looking a little curly, frizzy, and not really slick. And then I'm going to take some scissors and just cut the ends of it because the hair it turned out to be too long. So I had to cut it, of course. And then I'm going to use just some, not bobby pins, but hair pins, the open pins. And try to stick those in the braid wherever my hair was like kind of coming out. So that my braid was looking a little more uniform, a little bit more secure, and make sure the little pieces of my hair is not coming out. So I use the hairpins to pretty much secure all of that. And of course, I'm going to go back in with the brush, make sure everything is all nice and sleek. The brush and my Eco Styler gel, make sure it's, you know, looking nice and uniform and slick back, which I'm surprised it did. And now, you know, I'm going to do my edges. I don't do no style without doing my edges. Y'all know this. Y'all know the deal. Y'all know the vibe. This is what you have to do, your edges. And that's what I'm doing, okay? Just my normal routine of my edges. That's it. That's pretty much it. And then after this, I'm going to pretty much secure it with a scarf and let it dry overnight. Okay, so that brings us to the end of this video. Again, I hope y'all enjoyed and liked the look. I do think, even though it's obviously not perfect, like y'all can see my hair a little bit because it's definitely, one, it's a different color. I probably should have used the color 30 instead of 27. And my hair is obviously a lot more curly, but overall I think to achieve a quick cute little hairstyle, I think it did the job. So there's that. If you did like it, like the video, comment, and subscribe. Also follow me on Instagram at marissa.w. It'll be here on the screen and down below in the description box. With all of that being said, I hope y'all enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.